Here are the steps to install a solar repeater. Install the two mounting brackets on the repeater. Secure the brackets with the hardware. Install a washer before tightening the nylon nut on the bolt to protect the repeater enclosure. Do the same for the second bracket. Then tighten the nuts with a ratchet wrench. Here's what the final assembly of the repeater with its mounting brackets looks like. Install the two metal bands on the repeater's mounting brackets. Then mount the repeater high up on a pole, lamppost, or vertical structure. Point the solar panel south and make sure the repeater antenna is vertical. Tighten the metal bands once the repeater is properly oriented. Switch on the repeater by clicking on the power button. The repeater performs a startup sequence. Then the channel button LED flashes the number of times corresponding to the selected channel. The repeater enters network search mode. Finally, the repeater connects to the network when the power button LED flashes regularly, at the same pace as the gateway. Add the repeater to the gateway from the web application by navigating to the address app3.smarttrek.io. Enter your account details to connect to the platform. Once connected, navigate to the Configure Network page. Find your gateway in the list, then click on the three dots menu. In the drop-down list that appears, click on the option to add a sensor. Then click on the barcode button to open the camera. Scan the barcode on your repeater, then name your device. Then click on Add Device. The device will appear in the application after a few minutes. Your repeater is now installed and ready.